Hi. Uh, so good rainy evening. There's rain all around. The atmosphere is good. Um, so just this, I made this. I got made these two grow bags today. When I say got made, what I mean is I bought these two. I wanted some of these ones just as a trial. I've done that once before, but uh, more so, I started believing in these grow bags, either whether they're plastic or whether they are fabric based. These are plastic, and what they have is they have these pipes running on the side and which run to the bottom as well to give a structure so that it remains in rectangular form. Otherwise, the plastic material will try to fold in on itself. Okay. So the surface is the top is mostly leftover material which I had got from some roof work, but that's just the top layer. Underneath it, and I actually didn't do it while I was making it, but that's fine. I'll still explain. At the bottom is a lot of the debris that is there from the garden itself. Old branches, small twigs, everything that goes at the bottom, around a couple of inches layer of that. Then I had collected around a kg of kitchen waste. All that went in here. A kg doesn't sound all that much, but it's light material, so it spreads a lot. Then a lot of old leaves that I had, some kitchen waste that had already was in the form of semi done compost, and then on top of that I added this mud or this uh, dirt. Overall, as the material, organic material, starts decaying, this will become very rich. The Hopefully, as it decomposes, you get a rich material that will be suitable for growing vegetables. In this case, I expect that I will grow vegetables that are not creeper based, since I don't have a support structure here to make a trellis or anything. So primarily okra, or say brinjal, or some sort of beans that are more in the form of shrubs rather than with creepers. That's, or maybe even tomato, although I'm not sure about tomato because I'm trying to grow them as long vines by cutting off the suckers. So let's see, the next couple of months anyhow I'm not planning on growing tomato. This is just first week of September. Tomato not planned till mid October. So let's see, but I'll keep you posted. This is new stuff that I haven't added for quite some time. So typically my planters last for a long time. I just added these new ones today. Okay, thanks. This is a quick update from my kitchen garden. If you like what I do, please support me by liking this video and subscribing to my channel. Thank you.